etc., etc. Nacho Libre, my man a DJ, covers his face, he can't see straight. He's logo Holmes, it's okay, he fights for freedom, beats where vocals on. He wrestles for peace, at least when no show's going on. Either at the pool or mowing the lawn. Need protection, point him in the right direction and it's on. Off the ropes like Law, drops the long arm. Hits hard like retard, he's so strong. And his strength, he don't know it, he's so focused. His shadows like the plague of wild locusts on a vocalist, a poet. Stiff with fear, too scared to holler. Defeats you with a blank stare like Kamala. Then gets on the set with rare grooves of jazz and salsa. Refrains from being vulgar. Challenge him and he will pulverize ya like meat before the grinder. Figure 4 leg lock, get the chalk to outline ya. No need to dash, he just changes his mask and enters another weight class. I'll bet a grip he will whoop your ass. The crowd cheers waiting for the next competitor, etc., etc.